Greetings there everyone, welcome back to Safat and Sypha's channel. Today I have the Jurassic World Rebirth Aucasaurus. This is a repaint. I repainted this a few months back. This used to be the red dinosaur. There's a DNA scan. You can still tell right there, it's a little reddish in the corner. The color is inspired. I just googled this color and this one came out and I like it. So I gave it some black, yellow, purple, and a little beige down there. It still works. You move the tail. Look at that. I didn't want to damage the paint so much. So it still turns around. I painted it real good. I also repainted this other EOCARCHARIA. But first things first, we're gonna review this EOCARCHARIA from Dino Trackers. Now, I know this has been out for 3 years ago, but I didn't make a video of this yet. So we're gonna do it now. We're gonna unbox this bad boy here. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so obviously we did this a long time ago. Yeah. Like I said, I didn't unbox this long ago. It was buried down there. I just thought like, oh, might as well make this a video. But I believe I opened one back then, but I didn't make a video. So here it is now. Booyah! It is... Wow. Oh no, the paint came off. This is colors inspired from a abominable snowman. There you go. It still works. So, there you go. Another EOCARCHARIA. It does look like an abominable snowman. Check that out. Where's the DNA scan of this guy? Oh yeah, there it is. I don't think it'll come out anymore because it's the paint glued it, or the varnish. It won't come out anymore. But yeah. Let's see. Did I paint the gums as well? Oh, there you go. That's not good right there. It came off. Wow. Looks like I need to varnish that again. But anyways, there you have it. Now we're gonna unbox our EOCARCHARIA. Boom. So let's check this guy out. Hopefully one day Mattel will make another variant of this EOCARCHARIA. Let's take the tail out. There you go. Put it in. Wow. Let's pull this out. There you go. And there's the DNA scan. Like, you guys haven't scanned it yet, but still. There you have it. I also painted the teeth of this guy. Wow. Wow. So there you have it. Our two EOCARCHARIAs. Let's compare to the Aucasaurus. So the EOCARCHARIA has a bigger head, bigger body, I believe, but the Aucasaurus is the length is a little longer. So yeah. It is a feathery dinosaur. It sort of reminds me of a Tyrannosaurus now, but except has 3 fingers. But let's go back to the abominable EOCARCHARIA. I painted all, even the dew claw's been painted. Look at that. Whoops, got dark. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Give it a thumbs up as well while you're at it, and we'll see you again in the next few days. You guys have a good one now. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.